First up this evening, the president of the Jamaica Civil Service Association, JSCA, has added her voice to the public concerns about the Jamaican government's move to temporarily host third country citizens on behalf of the United States for later deportation. Tisha Clark Griffiths was addressing an award ceremony for long-serving civil servants in Manchester when she addressed the issue.
We may be retiring with some persons that we don't want to retire with. That will be overnighting in Jamaica in the near future. We don't want it. We don't want it. We have enough problems of our own here. And so we're hoping that it's not what we think it is.
The National Security Minister, Dr. Horace Chang, says the arrangement is out of a memorandum of understanding with the USA for migrants to transit through Jamaica en route to their final destinations. Now, under this agreement, Jamaica would receive up to 25 migrants every 2 weeks. Dr. Chang insists no more than 25 persons would remain in the country at a time. He says while negotiations are ongoing, there's agreement for the US to pay for the deportees' initial stay in Jamaica, but the exact sum has not been disclosed.